Okay, now that the navigation menu has been cleaned up, we can proceed to adjust the dates of our assignment and assessment. So that's found under Class Tools, Date Management. The date management function allows us to modify by class start date using the term information. We can adjust by the number of days or list all dates for review. All dates for review is a one-by-one process. I would recommend adjusting by the number of days. Use your calendar and figure out how many days forward you would have to shift. I'm going to use 120, just a random number, 120 days forward. So I click on Start afterwards. We wait for the application to process. Once it is done, we click Next, and we will see a list of our assignments and assessments. And they will all be shifted forward 120 days. I'm going to come down here and pick up, let's see, something in December. Okay, flowchart symbols and programming. December 30th. So I go to the edit icon, and then I go into the date menu. I'll push it to February 18th, click Done, and then click the green box with the white check to submit. Now the date has changed to February 18th. Also, confirm access to Blackboard, I'm going to change by clicking the edit icon, and then the date function, and January 8th. Click Done, and then the green box with the white check mark to submit. We'll check that date, and there it is, confirm access to Blackboard, 8th January 2015. That's the general process by which we can adjust our dates. And of course, if you have many items, your assessment pieces might bleed over to the second or third page. Okay. So when we're done, we can click on the calendar, and we can check to see if those items also transferred over to the calendar. And as you see, they have. This is the advantage of using the assessment tools in Blackboard, as they will transfer over to the calendar even with our date adjustment. And here I'm just showing you that I can click the link and indeed go into edit the assignment as if I just made it. And there it is, and we can make edits as we need. But since this is an example, I'm going to click on Cancel. And I'll just click on Home page again. The process you just saw is pretty much how we can adjust dates on our assignments. By using the adjust by number of dates, we can do all of our assignments, or rather we can push all of our assignments forward a certain number of dates. Then we can use the list to specifically go through and fix the dates of items that may not have transferred over as we desired. Being that we are on a block cycle or block schedule, sometimes there's a lot of inconsistencies with the dates. So I would highly recommend pushing forward your assignments by a set number of dates using the calendar. I meant the student handbook calendar, so that we know what dates we're looking at. And once the assignments have been pushed forward, we can use the list to specifically go through and check for items that need a little more adjustments, or I should say a little more adjustment. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you are still a bit confused or just would like to sit down with me to go over this process, I'm always here to assist you. Thanks.